Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuum cleaners that are making waves in the market. In one corner, we have the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top in different categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AV1010AE is priced at $379, while the Lefant robot vacuum comes in at a more affordable $199. If budget is a concern for you, the Lefant robot vacuum might be the way to go. Moving on to features, both these robot vacuums have some impressive capabilities. The Shark AV1010AE boasts a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris. It also offers faster mapping, improved carpet cleaning performance, and multi-surface cleaning. With the Shark Clean app or voice control, you can schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms. On the other hand, the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner comes with a unique brushless suction port that ensures pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily. It offers 6 different cleaning modes including auto clean, spot clean, edge clean, zigzag clean, scheduled clean, and manual clean. The Lefant app allows you to set schedules and adjust settings. It also has voice control compatibility with Alexa or Google Assistant. When it comes to design, the Shark AV1010AE features row-by-row cleaning and total home mapping plus room select. It methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. This could be a great option if you have a larger home and want a systematic cleaning approach. The Lefant robot vacuum cleaner, on the other hand, has a small body design with an 11 inches diameter and 2.99 height, allowing it to easily clean under or around furniture. Its upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0 with anti-collision infrared sensors helps detect probable stuck areas and adjust the cleaning path automatically. Battery life is always an important factor to consider when choosing a robot vacuum. The Shark AV1010AE offers powerful suction and can run for an extended period, but specific battery life information is not provided. Meanwhile, the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner uses lithium iron phosphate batteries and achieves up to 120 minutes of runtime. It's worth noting that this is in low suction running mode. Based on online reviews, customers have provided positive feedback for both the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. And there you have it, our comparison of the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner. Both have their own unique features and advantages. If budget is your main concern, the Lefant robot vacuum offers great value for money. On the other hand, if you have a larger home and prefer a systematic cleaning approach, the Shark AV1010AE might be the better choice. As always, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.